Hurricane Preparedness Essentials. Staying ready for the storm. When a hurricane is on the horizon, preparation is your best defense. In today's video, I'll guide you through essential hurricane preparedness steps to protect your family and home. First, build a hurricane kit. Include at least 3 days worth of food and water, a flashlight, batteries, a portable phone charger, a first aid kit, and important documents in waterproof bags. It is also a good idea to use an online document vault so your most important documents are protected in case you lose everything. Next, secure your home. Reinforce windows with shutters or plywood, clear outdoor areas of debris, and check your roof for loose shingles. Have sandbags ready if flooding is a risk. Have a family communication plan. Designate a safe meeting spot and ensure everyone knows emergency contacts. Charge your devices fully and keep a battery-powered radio for updates. Know your evacuation zone. If authorities recommend evacuation, do so promptly. Map out routes and pack essentials like clothes, medications, and ID. Finally, consider portable power solutions like a generator or solar charger for prolonged outages. Hurricanes are unpredictable, but your preparation doesn't have to be. These steps will help you stay safe and ready for the storm. Hey, if you like this video and want more info on this topic, click on this video here. You can also get more life-saving information at isurvivethrive.com. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to our I Survive Thrive YouTube channel. Check the description below this video for helpful links.